What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about the big boy crypto Ethereum, which has not been performing too well. Consistent dips in value, making it just about $1,000 guys. Even in the last 24 hours it has dropped 3% in value. So a lot of people have been asking me, should I get into it right now? Is this the right time to buy it, or is it going to drop further? Is it going to drop below the $1,000 mark, so on and so on? As you can see, the lowest it's been is the last couple of weeks is what the $1,015, nearly going below that target. So is it going to keep going upwards from now on, or is it going to drop back down? Does it have another drop in value that's going to take place later on in the next couple of days or weeks or so on? And looking at its potential over the next few hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can Ethereum go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking on the Coinbase website. In the last hour it has just managed to gain just about 2%. Over the last day, 2.5% down. Over the week, a massive 37% down on Ethereum guys. So 37% on another crypto, like a random crypto, is fine, but on Ethereum, one of the top cryptocurrencies guys, 32% down is a major drop. As you can see, going from 1.7k all the way down to 1k at the moment is absolutely shocking. Over the month it has dropped a massive 47% guys, so it nearly lost half its value in a space of a single month, which is not looking too great at all. So going inside the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by a massive 36% in the last 24 hours, making it $17.4 billion. Don't get me wrong, that is still a huge amount of money that is being traded on Ethereum. However, it's gone down quite a bit, only because there hasn't been much movement in the value of Ethereum. Yes, it's been volatile, it's been up and down, but overall it's only gone down 3%. So it doesn't give a real reason for people to either buy or sell, because there hasn't been much movement in the value of Ethereum. So where is it heading to next? Let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it. And I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So we have got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Ethereum at nearly 1.6k. However, it is trading at a much lower value at 1k at the moment, meaning it is not performing too well and much lower than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. So zooming in here, we got the orange line looking bearish, going towards the negative direction, and so is the blue line. So all in all, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction. Yes, I know the blue line looks like it is going in a straight line, but guys, if you look very closely, it's quite clear that it is going in a negative direction as well. So more drops in value are expected over the coming hours, but again, I'm not expecting any major drops. It's going to be very minimal. Hopefully not dropping below the $1,000 mark. It should stay around 1,050 to 1,040, somewhere around there. That's what I mean by the the drops are not going to be major. It's going to be very minimal drops in value. Yes, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be up and down over the coming hours, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to just about be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we kind of got a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, going towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, going towards the positive direction. So we've got essentially ups and downs over the coming days. So towards the mid to end of next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate around the 1.1k's target. Yes, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, and so far I'm not expecting it to drop below the $1,000 mark, unless of course we see a major drop in Bitcoin. As you can see, it's currently dropping 3%. In the last 24 hours is sitting at 20.5k at the moment, and obviously if it does drop below the 20k mark, heading to about 19, then yes, we may see a drop in Ethereum dropping below the $1,000 mark, which obviously we don't want to see. But again, if it does happen, then it happens, but that is not predicting anytime soon. But next week is another week, so I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated then as well. Moving on to the daily chart, Again, the blue line and the orange line are looking bearish, going in a negative direction. But the only reason I would say for that is we haven't been having a good, let's say, 3-4 months, even the whole of 2022, more or less we have been dropping most of the time than picking up in value. So that is what this is based on. The last 5-6 months have not been too great, so the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep going down, it's going to keep dropping in value because of past data. But I am hoping that Bitcoin and the whole crypto market should recover over the next 2 to 3 months, hopefully. So we should be able to take a U-turn here and go up in a positive direction. But so far, right now, we are expecting it to drop over the coming week. So late July to early August, we should be below the $1,000 mark, according to the current news and current data. But of course, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of not just Ethereum, but the whole crypto market, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis to see where it's heading to next. As you can see, in my previous Ethereum update, we were trading in the green zone, and I did let you guys know if it does drop into the red zone, it's very likely it's going to drop to the $1,000 mark, and that is exactly what's taking place right now. So we are currently fluctuating just above the $1,000 mark, and obviously the lowest we can go if we are in the red zone is $200, which again we are too far off from them at the moment, unless there is a major Bitcoin or crypto crash that take place, but nothing like that is expected anytime soon anyway. So we should be able to head back into the green zone by early, let's say, September, October time. We should be back into the green zone, maybe even way before that we may be heading into the green zone, but again I will make sure to keep you guys updated on that. But so far for the next couple of weeks, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone below the, let's have a look, $1,300 mark for at least about the next 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Ethereum, guys. Let me know what your predictions are. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on Ethereum. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments, not just on Ethereum but the whole crypto market. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Ethereum update. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And also guys, for those of you who are interested in daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, I have put together a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps up to $29.99. And again, what does this group chat include? So I'm going to be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. These are just screenshots, and also, you know, you guys can ask any questions, any queries you guys may have discussing new projects. And I also put daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, on what you should expect that specific day and that week as well. Is it going positive, negative, so on and so on, and giving guys analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But any questions, any queries, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible, so it'd mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button. And that is pretty much it, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.